Hello my dear friends, today is a very exciting day. Episode 1 is Afghanistan. So I did some research about Afghanistan and boy is it a fascinating culture. So Afghanistan is located at the crossroads between South Asia and Central Asia. It is also nicknamed the Heart of Asia. So the official languages of Afghanistan are Pashto and Dâri, and they use the Arabic alphabet. Afghanistan consists of many ethnic groups. The two main ones are the Pashtuns and the Tajiks. The two other main ones are the Hazaras and the Uzbeks. Something interesting to know is that most Afghans are tribal people and 15% are nomadic or kochis. Now the country shares a border with many countries. You can see the influence of those in the culture of Afghanistan. And it has a population of 38.5 million people, of whom most are Muslim. Agricultural production is the backbone of Afghan economy. The country is known for its pomegranates, grapes, melons, apricots, to name a few. Saffron also grows in Afghanistan, and it has been ranked many times as the best in the world. Now, just so you can imagine the country, okay, what does it look like? Geographically speaking, it is mostly mountainous and rugged. It has the extension of the Himalayas, Hindu-Kush mountain range. And it's pretty cool because there are some windy, hot, dry deserts, but also there are some forest regions and heavy snow in the mountains. About 20,000 tourists visit annually, in particular to see the Banjan Valley, which is considered to be very picturesque. It is really good for tourism because it's considered to be safe. A few people come for treks in regions like the Wakhan Valley, one of the world's most remote communities. That sounds pretty cool. Also, in the 1960s, Afghanistan was a popular stop on the famous hippie trail, attracting lots of Europeans and Americans. When it comes to art, carpet weaving and Afghan jewelry making are ancient artisanal practices. Music. The Rabab is the national instrument. You can also see some clear Indian influences in there, like the raga theory and some instruments like the tabla, the sitar, the harmonium. There are also Central Asian instruments like the zerbagali, the dâri, and the tanbur. Now, classic Persian and Pashto poetry are very much cherished by Afghan people. For example, Thursdays, they have poetry night in the city of Herat, where women, kids, and men all gather together and recite and share modern and ancient poetry. Something cool as well, Sufi poet Rumi was born in present-day Afghanistan. Also, Afghans have a variety of celebrations. They celebrate Nowruz, Yalda night, Ramadan, Eid al-Fitr, Vaisakhi, and Diwali. If you know about these celebrations, you know that they come from various different backgrounds. Afghan cuisine is very much based on their main crops like wheat, barley, maize, and rice. They accompany these staples with fruits and vegetables that are native to their land, as well as dairy products like yogurt, for example. Their cuisine definitely reflects their ethnic and geographic diversity. Tea is a popular drink for Afghans. So, the recipes that I chose for this Afghan episode are Borani Banjan, Bolani with Afghan green chutney, and then some Salata, just a simple salad, and Kabuli Palaw, which is an Afghan rice.
Awzak, 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 girde Awzak, Awzak. Saré pule Arzana, tora qadam mezanam. Saré pule Arzana, tora qadam mezanam. Du ta pire kandari, hamrah sukhan mezanam. Du ta pire kandari, hamrah sukhan mezanam.
Tigre is helping out, eh? What's up, Nina?
تو به اول صدا کرد تو را بر خطا کرد تو به اول صدا کرد تو را بر خطا کرد تو به دوم صدا کرد تو را خدا را یاد کرد تو به دوم صدا کرد تو را خدا را یاد کرد تو را جان تو را چی یا ما جان رباب چی تو را جان تو را چی یا ما جان رباب چی ای بایده خواندیم کتی شما
Bolani,
Bolani,
baby.
baby. Bolani, baby. Now it's looking like Bolani.
Bolani, baby.
Look, when you're cutting it like this, it's tiny little triangles of goodness. Yes! Hey, ça sent encore meilleur que quand c'est avec cuit à poêle.
وقتی برات نخواد خدا پشت هم میاد درد و بلا پیش قدرتش چون و چرا فایده نداره اگه بری به آسمون اگه بسازی رنگین کمون وقتی شد بختت نامهربون حال تو زاره وقتی برات نخواد خدا پشت هم
Alright, so let's start with the Bolani because to be honest, that's for me the most exciting one. There's this restaurant in Vancouver that does Bolani and that's how I discovered them and I've been in love ever since.
Good, huh?
Okay, let me just tell you, inside is a potato filling with spices like ground coriander and all of that. You saw all of that. Onion and the bread, like the actual dough is so good with the chutney. Are you kidding me? Like, oh my god. I would love it even a bit spicier actually. More green chili next time.
Yep.
But it's really perfect. I feel like for most people this will be the perfect amount of spice. I'm gonna try the eggplant dish, Borani Banjan. There's a lot of effort to like deep fry the eggplant. We were just talking about that. We don't really enjoy the process of frying stuff, deep frying stuff. So I think next time we're just gonna like saute the eggplants, right? I think it'll be just as good. And with the garlic yogurt sauce, I love this. And the salad is really good because there's dried mint leaves. So the last thing to taste is the Afghan rice. Do you like it? Do you like the rice?
Yeah.
You know what's good about it? It has cinnamon, cardamom, ginger, garlic, onion, and raisins. That's really good, man. Look how colorful. Sorry, I'm gonna finish my. So anyway, please subscribe to my channel, join the Holistic Maya family. So stay tuned because the next episode is Albania and the third one will be Algeria. I think that'll be really fun. So thank you so much again and I'll catch you next time. Bye.